When choosing a right hand sanitizer, do you opt for sanitizer with higher percentage of alcohol? Which sanitizer will be more effective against killing germs, 62% or 75%? The typical percentage in over-the-counter hand sanitizers range from 62% to 72%, but does a higher percentage of alcohol matter when choosing hand sanitizer? Different sanitizer brands may vary in inactive ingredients, but typically the active ingredient is a form of alcohol, in most cases isopropyl alcohol. The chemical structure of isopropyl alcohol contains a hydrophilic region. Hydrophilic means water-loving. This region is attracted to water and wants to form bonds with water. Isopropyl alcohol also contains a hydrophobic region, meaning water-hating. This region does not want to bond with water, but it repels water. Having both a hydrophilic region and a hydrophobic region makes isopropyl alcohol amphipathic. Amphipathicity allows isopropyl alcohol to interact with both water and the plasma membrane of bacterial cells, which enables isopropyl alcohol to dissolve the plasma membrane of bacteria and denature bacteria protein, stopping its function, which further destroys bacterial cells. The bonds between the primary alcohol and isopropyl and water molecules is essential. Simply, isopropyl alcohol requires adequate water dilution to serve effectively against germs. High concentrations of isopropyl alcohol, such as 90% or higher, is highly reactive with natural elements such as air and would evaporate too fast before it could effectively remove established bacteria. Even 70% isopropyl alcohol is too high of a concentration to maintain chemical stability. Although 70% isopropyl is used in professional settings, it reacts with air, light, and oxygen, affecting its chemical stability, and it can also be flammable. Because of instability, the alcohol breaks down and alcohol potency decreases with time. But when alcohol is diluted in enough water, like 60% alcohol and 40% water, the almost equivalent amounts of water protects the chemical stability of the alcohol to be effective as an antimicrobial. In addition to protecting chemical stability of alcohol, water serves as a catalyst forming bonds with water molecules, allowing alcohol to travel to bacterial cells. Since water protects the chemical stability of alcohol, alcohol will not evaporate but can remain on surfaces longer in order to penetrate bacteria. The CDC recommends that over-the-counter hand sanitizers contain no less than 60% isopropyl alcohol, and most products meet that criteria. So you don't have to opt for sanitizers with higher alcohol percentages thinking it would be more effective in killing germs, when in fact you may be getting a least effective sanitizer. And perhaps the sanitizer sat on the shelf long before you decided to purchase it. With higher alcohol concentrations, there is an increased chance that alcohol will break down. As an experiment, I tested different hand sanitizer brands varying in different alcohol percentages on bacterial cell plates. Different bacteria types, including E. coli, Micrococcus luteus, and Staph aureus, to name a few, were grown on the proper media. Each bacterial plate was treated with the different hand sanitizer brands, incubated, and observed a couple days later. Overall, on average, the sanitizers with lower alcohol percentages killed the same amount of bacteria as sanitizers with higher alcohol percentages. And in a few cases, sanitizers with the lower alcohol percentages killed more bacteria than the higher alcohol concentrated sanitizers. So, the next time you're deciding on which sanitizer will be the strongest germ killer, remember that the lowest alcohol percentages, closer to 60% versus 70% and higher, gets the crown and wins the belt.